Good morning, બાળકો. In previous lecture, we learned some more example on logarithmic derivative. Today, we take some more example depends on logarithmic derivative. Exercise 5.5, example number 5. Y equal to x plus 3 whole square into x plus 4 whole cube into x plus 5 whole raised to 4. dy by dx फाइंड करना है यहाँ पे. तो y इक्वल टू जो फंक्शन दिया गया है यहाँ पे पहले मैं log फंक्शन अप्लाई करता हूँ. तो देखो क्या होगा. Therefore log y इक्वल टू log x plus 3 whole square into x plus 4 whole cube into x plus 5 whole raised to 4. But we know property of log function. If log m into n into p, then we write log m plus log n plus log p, and therefore write log y equal to log x plus 3 whole square plus log x plus 4 whole cube and last term plus log x plus 5 whole raised to 4, and therefore log y equal to, see here, power is here too. Now by property of logarithmic function I take these two in coefficient, that means write 2 times log x plus 3, same here 3 times log x plus 4, and last term is 4 times log x plus 5. Now derivative of this function, derivative of log y, that is 1 upon y into derivative of y, that is dy by dx, equal to 2 as it is, and derivative of log function, which is 1 upon x plus 3 into derivative of x, that is 1, and derivative of 3, which is always 0. Why? Because 3 is constant. Same. Next, 3 upon derivative of log is 1 upon x plus 4 into derivative of x, that is 1. Same here, 4 upon x plus 5. Now this y, take opposite side, and then y, now in numerator, then dy by dx equal to y into bracket 2 upon x plus 3 plus 3 upon x plus 4 plus 4 upon x plus 5. Now I put value of y, that is x plus 3 whole square into x plus 4 whole cube into x plus 5 whole raised to 4. Then here x plus 3 whole square, x plus 4 whole cube into x plus 5 whole raised to 4 into bracket as it is, that is 2 upon x plus 3 plus 3 upon x plus 4 plus 4 upon x plus 5, which is our final answer. Now I take one more example of exercise 5.5, which is example number 6. 5.5, example number 6. Y equal, see here, y equal to x plus 1 upon x whole raised to x. Y equal to x plus 1 upon x whole raised to x plus, second term is x raised to x plus 1 upon x, which is very important sum for examination. Okay, here I write most important sum. Okay, बहुत ही बढ़िया sum है, most important. Y equal to x plus 1 upon x whole raised to x, and second term is x raised to x plus 1 upon x, sorry 1 plus, यहाँ पे 1 है. Okay, sorry, 1 plus 1 upon x, 1 plus 1 upon x. See here. Now first I write here base and power both are variable, same in second term. Then I write y equal to e raised to first power into log base, that is x plus 1 upon x. Same here, e raised to power 1 plus 1 upon x into log base, that is x. Okay, now I derivative this function, then derivative of y is dy by dx equal to डेरिवेटिव ऑफ e raised to x same as e raised to x means e raised to x into log x plus 1 upon x into derivative of this power, derivative of this power, but power is x into log x plus 1 upon x. There are two functions, then we use multiplication rule. Okay, first derivative of x is 1, at that time second function log x plus 1 upon x as it is, plus now first function x as it is into derivative of log function which is 1 upon x plus 1 upon x into derivative of this bracket, but derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. Okay, minus 1 upon x. तो जो पहली टर्म थी उसका डेरिवेटिव मैंने कंप्लीट कर दिया. नाउ डेरिवेटिव ऑफ सेकंड टर्म इज e raised to 1 plus 1 upon x into log x, then derivative of e raised to x same as e raised to x into log x into derivative of power, that means derivative of 1 plus 1 upon x into log x. Then I use multiplication rule. First derivative of this bracket, derivative of 1 is 0 plus derivative of 1 upon x, that is minus 1 upon x square at that time. Second function log x as it is plus. Now first bracket, that is 1 plus 1 upon x as it is into derivative of log x, that is 1 upon x. Okay, जो ये पहला स्टेप था वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट. अब कुछ ऐसा है नहीं, अब सिर्फ इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना है. ओके, तो पहली टर्म है e raised to x into log x plus 1 upon x. इस टर्म को मैं ये लिख लेता हूं x plus 1 upon x whole raised to x into log x plus 1 upon x as it is, x plus 1 upon x as it is, plus c here. In denominator first I take LCM, then x square plus 1, and from denominator x take in numerator, then in numerator x into x, that is x square, and in denominator x square plus same. I take LCM in this bracket, then x square into 1, that is x square minus 1 upon x square. तो ये यहाँ पे पहला स्टेप हमारा ये खत्म हो. अब दूसरे स्टेप की बात करता हूँ e raised to 1 plus 1 upon x into log x. ये टर्म को मैं लिख लेता हूँ x raised to 1 plus 1 upon x into bracket minus log x upon x square. Okay, and here I take LCM first, then x 1 is x plus 1, then in numerator x plus 1 upon x into 1 upon x. Okay, equal to first term as it is, then x plus 1 upon x whole raised to x as it is into bracket log x plus 1 upon x. But in second term x square cancel, then remaining term in numerator, that is x square minus 1, in denominator x square plus 1. Okay, and second term now plus x raised to 1 plus 1 upon x bracket minus log x upon x square plus in numerator only x plus 1, in denominator x square, which is our final answer. Okay, अगर यहाँ पे LCM लेना है तो भी ले सकते हैं. मैं एक एग्जांपल आपको घर से देता हूं, और वो एग्जांपल क्या है, वो है x raised to x plus 1 upon x. यहाँ पे मैं लिख लेता हूं. ओके, ये एक एग्जांपल है y equal to x raised to x plus 1 upon x, which is in your homework. ये सम आपको होमवर्क में करना है. ठीक है, अगला सम मैं लेता हूं जो कि बहुत इजी है. यहाँ पे मैंने 6 नंबर का सम कंप्लीट कर दिया है. अब मैं लेता हूं एक्सरसाइज 5.5 एग्जांपल नंबर 7. ओके, और क्वेश्चन है y इक्वल, और हमारा क्वेश्चन है y इक्वल टू log x होल रेज़ टू x. y इक्वल टू log x होल रेज़ टू x प्लस x रेज़ टू log x, जो कि बहुत ही ज्यादा इजी सम है. यहां पे भी बेस और पावर दोनों वेरिएबल है, तो इसको हम लिखेंगे y इक्वल टू e रेज टू पावर दैट इज x इंटू लॉग बेस, यहाँ पे बेस क्या हो जाएगा log x, प्लस सेम हियर e रेज टू पावर दैट इज log x into base is also log base that is log x. Okay, see here. Now derivative of this function then divide by dx equal to derivative of e raised to x, which is same as e raised to x. Then here I write e raised to x log of log x into derivative of power. But here in power there are two functions. One is x, second one is log of log x. Then I derivative first term derivative of x, which is 1. At that time second term is as it is log of log x. Now x as it is and derivative of log x. See here, x as log x. I take x as log x. Then derivative of log x is 1 upon x. But here x as log x. Then derivative of log x, which is 1 upon log x, into derivative of inner function. But here inner function is log x. Then derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Okay. See, next step, e raised to log x into log x means derivative of e raised to x, same as e raised to x, into derivative of power. But in power there are two functions, log same function, second function log, one function log x as it is, derivative of second function log x which is 1 upon x. Now second function which is log x as it is and derivative of first function which is 1 upon x. Now I write this term equal to log x whole raised to x into bracket log of log x प्लस यहाँ पे x कैंसिल हो जाएगा तो बाकी जो टर्म बच गई वो है 1 अपन log x. तो यह यहाँ पे पहली टर्म हमारी खत्म हो गई. नेक्स्ट टर्म e raised to log x into log x. This term write as x raised to log x. Now see in bracket log x upon x. Same here log x upon x. But these two term 2 times then 2 times log x upon x. Now log x whole raised to x, first term as it is, that is log of log x plus 1 upon log x. Now second term I write 2 into x raised to log x into log x in denominator only x. Okay, तो ये हमारा फाइनल आंसर हो गया. एक सम जो है y इक्वल टू x रेस्ट x प्लस 1 अपन x वो मैंने होमवर्क में दिया हुआ है, और एक एग्जांपल में लिखता हूं, देख लीजिएगा d अपन dx ऑफ e रेज़ टू 5x, इसका डेरिवेटिव मुझे चाहिए कि इसका डेरिवेटिव भी आप लिख लीजिएगा तो क्या ये फॉर्मूला आपको थोड़ा अच्छा हो जाएगा. और एक एग्जांपल में देता हूं दूसरा, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ a रेज़ टू 5x और इसका डेरिवेटिव भी मुझे चाहिए, ये भी लिख लीजिएगा क्योंकि ये फॉर्मूला पे डिपेंड है तो फॉर्मूला भी आपकी अच्छी हो जाएगी. ठीक है, now I take some more example of exercise 5.5. We have to already complete 1 to 7. Now I take example number 8 of exercise 5.5. Question is y equal to sin x whole raised to x plus sin inverse root x. Here base and power both are variable. Then first function I write as e raised to power into log base, that is log sin x, plus second function sin inverse root x as it is. Now derivative of y, that is dy by dx equal to derivative of first term. But we know the derivative of e raised to x, that is same as e raised to x means e raised to x into log sin x into now derivative of power, but power is x and second term is log sin x. Then we use multiplication rule and chain rule. First derivative of x which is 1 and then second term log of sin x as it is plus now x as it is. Now derivative of sin x, derivative of log sin x here x as sin x, we know the derivative of log function which is 1 upon x. Here x as sin x, then 1 upon sin x into derivative of x sin which is cos x. तो ये यहाँ पे हमारा पहला जो टर्म है उसका डेरिवेटिव हमने कंप्लीट कर दिया. नाउ डेरिवेटिव ऑफ सेकंड टर्म, सी हियर, बट सेकंड टर्म इज इनवर्स फंक्शन एंड वी नो द फॉर्मूला ऑफ डेरिवेटिव ऑफ साइन इनवर्स व्हिच इज 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट 1 minus x square. Then here we use formula plus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square, but here x as root x, then under root x square into derivative of root x, and derivative of root x which is 1 upon 2 root x. Okay, now I put this term equal to sin x whole raised to x, then here sin x whole raised to x into bracket log of sin x as it is plus x as it is cos upon sin, that is cot x, means x into what x, plus see here 1 upon 2, I write first under root 1 minus root x square, that is only x into 1 upon root x. Now first term as it is, that means sin x whole raised to x into bracket log of sin x plus x into cot x as it is. Now second term root x multiply with root 1 minus x, then I write plus 1 upon 2 under root x multiply with root 1 minus x, then x multiply with 1 minus x, that is x minus 1 upon x minus x square, which is our final answer. Okay, now I take next sum, that is 5.5, example number 9. What is question? Y equal to x raised to sin x, y equal to x raised to sin x plus sin x whole raised to cos x. तो ये हमारा क्वेश्चन है, इसका डेरिवेटिव करना है जो कि बहुत इजी है. यहाँ पे वेरिएबल यहाँ पे दोनों जगह पर है, मतलब पावर और बेस दोनों जगह. तो मैं लिख लेता हूं y इक्वल टू e रेज टू पावर sin x into log base, that is log x, plus same e raised to power, that is cos x into log base, that is sin x. Now derivative of this function with respect to x, then this side dy by dx. Now derivative of e raised to x, same as e raised to x, then e raised to sin x into log x into derivative of power, that means derivative of sin into log, then we use multiplication rule and chain rule. Derivative of sin function which is cos x at that time, second function as it is, plus now sin x as it is, derivative of log x which is 1 upon x. Now derivative of second term is also e raised to x form, then derivative of e raised to x, that is e raised to cos x into log of sin x. Now derivative of this power, but in power there are two terms, cos and second term is log sin x. Then first I derivative cos, that is minus sin x into log of sin x as it is, plus now cos x as it is into derivative of log sin x, and derivative of log sin x which is 1 upon sin x into again derivative of sin function is cos x. Now I write e raised to sin x into log x equal to x raised to sin x, and our first term is x raised to sin x into bracket cos x into log x plus sin x upon x. मतलब हमारी ये फर्स्ट टर्म है वो कंप्लीट हो गई. नेक्स्ट e रेज टू cos x into log of sin x, राइट एज sin x whole raised to cos x, sin x whole raised to cos x. Now see in bracket minus sin x into log of sin x plus see in numerator cos into cos, that is cos square x upon sin x, which is our final answer. ओके, नेक्स्ट सम में लेता हूं एक्सरसाइज 5.5. एक्सरसाइज 5.5 का 10वां नंबर का सम है। तो क्वेश्चन हमारा है 5.5 एग्जांपल नंबर 10, y इक्वल टू x रेस्ट टू x इंटू कॉस x, y इक्वल टू x रेस्ट टू x इंटू कॉस x प्लस second term is very easy, x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. Same here, we have to find derivative of y with respect to x. First, y equal to x raised to x cos x, write as e raised to power, that is x cos x into log base is here x and log x. Second term as it is x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. Now derivative y with respect to x. Now derivative of first e raised to x, that is same as e raised to x cos x into log x. Now derivative of power, see in power there are total 3 terms, one x, second cos and third is log x. Then derivative only one term, at that time 2 terms, remaining 2 terms as it is. First I derivative of x, which is 1. At that time these 2 terms, which is cos x into log x as it is. Plus now I take derivative of cos function, which is minus sin x. At that time x into log x as it is. Here derivative of cos function is minus sin x. At that time x into log x as it is. Plus now first 2 terms are as it is and the last derivative of log x, which is 1 upon x. Now derivative of second term, but in second term we use quotient rule. In numerator x square plus 1, in denominator x square minus 1, and we know the quotient rule. First denominator as it is and derivative of numerator. See in numerator x square plus 1, then derivative of x square, which is 2x, and derivative of 1, which is 6, minus now numerator, that is x square plus 1 as it is, into derivative of denominator, and derivative of x square, which is 2x, into minus derivative of 1, which is always 0, in denominator whole square, that is x square minus 1 whole square. See first term e raised to x cos x log x, write as x raised to x into cos x. Now in bracket first term cos x into log x as it is, minus I write first x into sin x into log x, plus here one time x, which is cancelled, then remaining term is only cos x. Now see in next term plus from numerator 2x is common, then bracket x square minus 1, 2x is already common, यहाँ पे भी 2x कॉमन है, माइनस अंदर ले जाता हूं तो माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 1 इन डिनोमिनेटर x square minus 1 whole square. Now last step first term as it is, that means x raised to x into cos x as it is, bracket that is cos x into log x minus x into sin x into log x plus cos x as it is. See here x square cancel, minus 1 that is minus 2, and minus 2 multiply with plus 2, then minus 2 to the 4x upon x square minus 1 whole square, which is our final answer. Okay, आज हमने बहुत सारे सम देखे, सब सम लॉगरिथमिक फंक्शन के डेरिवेटिव के ऊपर थे. ओके, जो कि बहुत इजी है. हमको खास ये याद रखना है, अगर पावर और बेस दोनों वेरिएबल है तो उसको कैसे लिखा जाता है, और उसका एक स्टेप जो कि डेरिवेटिव का है वो इंपॉर्टेंट है. बाकी तो सब सिर्फ सिंपलीफिकेशन ही है. ओके, आज हम यहां तक रखते हैं.